Hi everybody, and welcome to another exciting adventure of Tim Time. If you're like me, and I'm sure you are, everything in your house seems to break at one time. Had an issue with the garage door opener. I'm going to push the button to see what happens. That happens. Okay, garage door that kind of dies when it's going down. If I could attach a camera, there it goes. Why not? Tap it again, see if you can get it to come on. It came back on. So now, let's see, hang on one second. Okay, so there's a cobweb covered sensor. That yellow light should stay on all the time whenever there's power to the device. Chris was beating on the device, it went off, it's coming on and off.
Now it came back on.
And also, whenever the door stops, the light doesn't flash, indicating there was any type of a sensor fault. All right, trying to see if we can get it to come down now.
Okay, now we're going to push the button.
There you go, you fixed it.
And now it's not doing it. Oh, it blinked.
Yeah, there. So somewhere we have an intermittent connection, and we've jiggled all the wires and the wire that comes out of the ceiling for the 110 volts. Oh, there we go. Give it a tap again. Or see if the lights are up. There we go. It comes back on. So anyhow, loose connection. Oop, and it went off. See if we can find where it's at. Okay, Chris is taking the screws out of the cover. We want to see how much of the cover we can access without actually taking it down from the ceiling.
Oh, there's screws up here too.
And then we're going to end up unplugging it probably and taking the whole thing off. Okay, so if you want to zoom in and take a look at the connectors.
Okay, we're trying to get a visualization of where the wires go.
All right, so I can see it looks like orange, white, and then I have two whites, and then these two go to gray. So those ones go to gray. The ones that go to gray, I'm going to kind of put a little loop in it. Oh, it's got a little black line on it, so that we're good with that. So now I'm going to have to climb up on the ladder.
Okay, so here we are. We have the board we're going to look at. See if there's any loose connection. We're looking for a bad solder joint here.
Yeah, something to be broken or cracked or bad. Everything there looks so far so good. There's little Molex connectors to attach the two boards together. Let me look at those real quick. Doesn't look bad.
Yeah, there's a break.
Yeah. Trying to see what I have to do to get it. If I had some Freon.
Well, something broke.
No, it just
I mean, it broke the connection.
yeah. Just doing it as intermittently as in the garage.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, the wire fell off. Okay. Yeah, so that one definitely. Do you want to take a look through here? I don't know if you can. The camera probably can't see it, but I don't know if you saw it or not, Chris.
Yeah, I saw it
Okay.
with, before, but the camera's hard to see.
Yeah, so that's broken all the way around.
Now repeat what you were saying about the heat. The heat could cause that.
Yeah, but I don't think we get that much heat. But, I mean, it's...
What would you call that? This device here that it's connected
That's
to?
a transformer.
The transformer.
Yeah.
So it does generate enough heat to possibly melted some of the solder.
It gets warm, but it's more than likely that's from vibration. And I mean, they do vibrate a little bit as well. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to do them all, but with that one I'm actually going to suck the solder off of it and resolder it completely. And the other ones I'll just heat up. And once I get to them, I'll know what I want to do with them. I'm just going to go through and redo them all. Okay, so so the next guy is going to put the solder back in.
Okay, here we go. So we're cleaning the
Just clean the flux off it.
solder joints.
This is supposed to be good flux, but some flux can still eat away at the plastic and stuff. So that takes care of that. So now we have to put the bad Oscar back together.
Okay, so here we are. We got it back in the circuit board, and now we're going to plug it in. Now the light came on, so now we're going to push the button on the wall, and it's working. So we hit it, and it's working. It comes back up now.